Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and install and a short introduction about Microsoft WhiteBoard. So in the Microsoft Store, first of all in the search bar type in WhiteBoard and select this option that says Microsoft WhiteBoard. Now here at our left we have to click on Get. Wait a few minutes for the application to download. And now we have to click on Open. So let's see what this is all about. Microsoft respects your privacy. When you entrust your data to WhiteBoard, you remain the owner of that data. It's our policy to not use or let others use it for advertising purposes. Let's go. Alright, so we are here in Microsoft WhiteBoard. Let's create a new one. Welcome to the new WhiteBoard. You now have access to all the newest features like more than 50 templates, shapes, reaction, and there's even more coming soon. Got it. Right, so first of all, we are going to show you the different tools that you can have. We have some notes here, different types of notes that we can add to our whiteboard. If we double click on it, we can place it in the whiteboard. And here we have it. So we can type some text here. We can move it and place it in whatever place we want. Here at the top, we can name the whiteboard as we want. We can add some text. We can edit the text here. We can also change the size and move it. We can change the color of the text. We can also copy the content and edit some alternative text. Alright, so we have also shapes that we can add. We can also move these shapes and change the size of them. We can add some reactions. So if you share the whiteboard with your friends, they can put their reaction and you can easily see what they think about your ideas. We can put some images from our computer as well. We can add a template. We have lots of different templates like brainstorming templates. And we can also modify this template in whatever way we want. We can edit the title, the description, the prompt, move the objects inside. So let's put our in here. Here at the bottom of the page, we have some zoom options. We also have here different pencils that we can use. If we click on them, we can change the size, the thickness. We can also convert the pen in an arrow, for example, like this. It will automatically put an arrow at the end. We can also choose a different kind of pencil. We can change the colors as well. This is another option of the arrows. We have some eraser as well that we can also customize by clicking on it. And then we have a ruler. We have some inking alternatives. So if we click here, the pencils disappear. And also if you want to change the background, here at settings, we can select the format background and choose, for example, a yellow color, a pink color, a purple color, and change also the way we see it. And that's about it. You can also click on the share icon to share this whiteboard with your friends, and using this link you can share it and all your friends can comment and use the same whiteboard as you. So it's a really powerful tool to share ideas if you are teaching a class. So let me know what you think about this application. And that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.